Hi, I'm Geeta Srinivasan. In this video, we are going to see about events and delegates. To understand the concept better, first let us look into an example. A YouTube. YouTube channel is the publisher, and whenever a person subscribes a channel, the subscriber must get notified about the new video uploaded. So this is similar to an event. Now, let us look about what is an event. So event is an action such as a button click or a mouse movements or any selection, something like that. So whenever such a event happens, you have to handle that. So now to implement an event, we have a publisher class, and to receive the event, we have the subscriber class. Here we can see the overview of both the classes. So in the publisher class, we will declare or define the delegate, we will declare an event, and then we will raise an event. So other than this, we can have other required methods in the publisher class. In the subscriber class, we will have the event handler methods. So now, what is an event handler? So the event handler is a delegate. So what is a delegate? It is similar to a function pointer. It refers to a method. Like a normal function, it can pass one method as a parameter to other methods. And an important thing about delegate is it must be compatible with the signature of the event handler methods in the subscriber class. Now, I have created a simple console application. So for .NET Framework Power 6, you will have the program.cs file like this. The compiler will handle everything for us, like the program class and the main methods, everything. We have to just simply write the statements, whatever we have to include inside the main method. If you are not comfortable with this, create a new project. So I'm going to give it a name as C1 and select next. Here I'm going to check this particular box. Do not use top level statements. And then if we create a project, we will have the program class, the main method, and everything as usual. So now if in this I need two classes, one to implement the events and the second one to handle the event. So I need a publisher class and a subscriber class. So now I'm going to create the publisher class. Right click the solution and go to add, and here I'm going to create a new class. So here I'm going to name this particular class as publisher class. So I need one more class, that is the subscriber class. Again, I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to add one more new class file, and here I'm going to give the name as subscriber. So now we have the program.cs file, then the publisher class, then the subscriber class. So, so inside this publisher class, I'm going to include a method which is going to be the video upload method. So for now, I'm just simply going to declare a string in the title. So I'm going to name this as sample video. I'm just going to display a message, and inside this I'm going to just write uploaded video. So as I have mentioned already, we have to implement three important steps to implement an event. So first thing is we have to declare an event. To do that, so first now I'm going to declare a delegate. So to do that, first we have to use the access specifier public. Then I'm going to use the delegate keyword. Then we have to include the return type. Then the method name here I'm going to use is subscription, and this is going to be the handler event handler. Inside this we have to pass the parameters. Here for now I'm just going to pass the string parameter. So now we have declared the delegate. The next step is we have to create an event for this event handler. So here this is going to be the event. So here I am naming this as subscribed. So now we have completed declaring a delegation and then event declaration. Now the third step is we have to raise the event. We use a method that is going to be the publisher method. So that particular publisher method must be protected virtual void, and we have to start this method as on subscribe method. So inside this I'm going to just check whether the title is available or. So before doing this, here we have to call this particular method inside the video uploaded. So once the video is uploaded, we have to check call the on subscribed method along with the value of the title. Now inside this we are going to pass the string, and which is the video title. So if this particular video title is not null, so here the event is subscribed. So here we have to invoke this particular method. Now we have completed all the three steps. Declared a delegate, then we have completed event declaration, then we have raised the event here using the invoke method. So now in the subscriber class, we need a method. So once a subscriber is subscribed, they must be notified. So now I'm going to include a so inside this particular subscriber class, I'm going to include a method. So as I already mentioned, this particular method must match the type of the delegate. So this must be the string type. And inside this, I'm just simply going to print the title. Then I'm going to leave some space and then upload it. So once we have completed this method, now the subscriber class is over. Now we can move to the program.cs file. So inside this, to access all the methods inside the publisher and subscriber class, we need to create the instance. So similarly for subscriber, I'm going to create an instance. So now I'm going to call the method inside this particular class. But until now we have not completed subscribing or registering the event. So to do that, first we have to use the publisher dot the event is subscribe. So to register, we have to use plus equal followed by the subscriber class dot get notified method. So even though this one is get notified as a method, I have not used the parenthesis. So this will simply act like a reference to a method which is nothing but the pointer, it's function pointer. So now whenever the subscriber subscribe the channel, they will be get notified about the new video uploaded. So now when we try to run this particular program, so now when you look here, we have the string inside the video upload method, uploaded video. Then once the subscriber subscribes, the get notified method gets called and we have sample video uploaded. Here, instead of the string parameters inside the event handler, if I want to pass additional information about the event arguments, or if I want to pass any additional information either about a video or a subscriber, I can create a class, custom class, and I can pass that information like this. Now I'm going to pass the video detail. I'll name this as video detail event args, which must inherit the base event args class. And I'm going to include two properties. One is going to be the video title. Second one is going to be the Boolean property. For checking the status, whether the video is uploaded successfully. So now we have this video detail event arguments. So here inside this subscription event handler, I'm going to pass this information. This event handler accepts two parameters. First one is going to be the of type object and the sender details. Second one is going to be the of type which we created, video event. So here I'm going to simply print as uploaded video, and in this on subscribe method, I'm going to remove this, and here I'm going to create a new object for this video detail event arguments. I have two parameters, so I'm going to pass the values is successful true and the video title programming channel name. So if video detail is not equal to null, I'm going to pass. So here again the invoke method takes two parameters. As I already mentioned, the method inside the subscriber class must match the delegate. So here it takes two parameters. First one is the sender, the second one is the event arguments. So first one is going to be the present class, the sender. So I'm passing this. Then the video details. So now the publisher class is completed. Now I'm moving to the subscriber class. So here again we have to change the parameters. It must match the delegate type. So here it needs two parameters. One is going to be the object type and another one is going to be the video detailed event arguments. So now we have seen everything in the publisher class. We have completed all the three steps: defining a delegate, declaring an event, and then raising the method inside the publisher class. So now in the subscriber class, we have the get notified method. We receive the event argument details and then along with the title, we print the result. So in the program.cs file, we have created new objects for all the class. To access the methods inside those classes, we register the handler for the event, and then we call the video upload method. So that's all. Now we have done all the steps so that whenever a new video is uploaded, the subscriber will get notified about the new video. So until now, we have used the delegate subscription event handler, which we created. So instead of defining a delegate whenever you want to declare an event, we can use the built-in event handlers, which comes in two forms. One is going to be the generic form. If we want to pass additional information about that event arguments, we have to use the generic form. Otherwise, if you are not going to pass any data, then you can use the normal form. So here I'm going to use the built-in event handler for declaring an event. So here description, I'm going to use the event handler, and here this is the subscribed method, subscribed event. So now, so if you're here, I need a sender as well as the video detail event arguments type, event arguments data. So here I'm going to pass the type as video detail event arguments. So now if you are not going to pass any values, you can just simply use the normal form event handler, and here you can pass the event arguments.empty as a parameter. So now in the program.cs file, we have objects for the publisher subscriber class, and we have registered handler for this event. So whenever the subscriber subscribes, when a new video is uploaded, he will get notified about the video. So here, now we are calling this particular video upload method. Now just check. Now we can see we have the video uploaded, the string which we given inside the upload video upload method. Then the get notified method displays the video title as programming info by GS and uploaded along with the uploaded string. So the result is same, because in the previous time we did the same thing with our own delegate. Now we have used the built-in event handler. Now we have seen everything in the publisher class. We have completed all the three steps: defining a delegate, declaring an event, and then raising the method inside the publisher class. So now in the subscriber class, we have the get notified method. We receive the event argument details, and then along with the title, we print the result. So in the program.cs file, we have created new objects for all the class. To access the methods inside those classes, we register the handler for the event, and then we call the video upload method. So that's all. Now we have done all the steps. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel Programming Info by GS. Thank you.